Hey curl friends, and welcome back to another natural hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these long Fulani braids. So I'm starting off on freshly washed stretched hair. I went ahead and moisturized and everything the night before, and I'm just going to go ahead and begin sectioning and oiling down my scalp. This particular tutorial was a live stream, but I'm going to give you guys the quick and easy version. It took us a few days to complete, but altogether I think I took between 4 to 8 hours. I can't remember. But I'm using this holding gel. This is from Let's Jam, as well as some oil for my scalp. Going for more of a traditional look, so I went ahead and started with that middle section. I split my hair into 2 large puff balls, and then I pulled out a slither of hair from either side to create this middle braid. For this tutorial, I'm using our Natural Boss Lady 100% Kangalon braiding hair. This is our ombre collection, and the color I'm using is called Galaxy Blush. It's this beautiful blend of black at the top, some purple on the mids, and on the ends are this bright, nice, faded out pink. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I definitely want to do this hairstyle with this particular color. I wanted to try out some color. So I created that middle braid, and now I'm just going to create an arch above my ear, the same exact size as the rest of the braids, and I'm going to braid those hairs forward. For the Fulani braid hairstyles, you can pretty much freestyle your creation. You can freestyle it however you want, but the majority of the styles usually come with like the middle part having that middle braid, and then the 2 braids going above the ear, or 1 braid, however you see fit. So I went ahead and created this style. Wanted to create something that was super versatile. I created some box braids towards the back, and then I added the 2 braids towards the front. The rest of it is just going backwards. It's just some basic feeding cornrows. I'm starting off with my own natural hair first, and I'm feeding in the braiding hair as I go. If you're familiar with the feed and braid technique, or if you watch the channel a lot, you know I love using this technique for braiding. It looks a lot more natural and seamless, and people can't really tell exactly where your extensions begin or end. For the back, I went ahead and made these medium-sized squares to create the box braids in the back. This is going to give my hairstyle a lot more versatility. I can pretty much wear it up, have it half up, half down, wear a bun, 2 ponytails, whatever I want to do with it, because I'm giving it that versatility in the back. It's a lot quicker than just creating a whole bunch of box braids. I got through this hairstyle a lot faster having the braids towards the front and the box braids towards the back. Like I said, the majority of this hairstyle was done on live stream, but you guys did not get to see how I polished and finished everything off. So I'll go ahead and show you guys in this edited version in a second. But this is what the back looks like. I made sure to oil my scalp. It was a very, very low maintenance hairstyle. I love the ombre color on this. It looks super cute to me. I went ahead and boiled some hot water, and I left my hair dipped in this hot water for about 30 seconds or so just to seal the ends before I go ahead and start trimming. This is pretty much going to lock the braiding hair. It is a synthetic fiber, so it's going to lock the braiding hair and stop it from unraveling. I want to do this before and after I trim to make sure that it does not unravel at all. So here are the ends. They are very, very janky. I just went ahead and used some hair shears. You could use whatever kind of scissors that you want to, because it is synthetic hair. It's basically like a plastic fiber. And I just trimmed straight across. I did it very lightly. I didn't want to go straight across, harshly just yet, because it will create a blunt line and it will cause the hair to unravel. Then I took the 2 ends, put them together, and then I cut that straight across. I'll go ahead and re-dip the hair into the hot water to seal everything one final last time, and drip dry the hair. Go ahead and blot it down, let it drip dry on its own, and I can go ahead and work on my edges while the hair dries. You guys know I use the same technique as always. I always go in with the edge control and follow up with some form of gel to lock the edge control into place. And this is the final hairstyle. Y'all, I'm definitely doing this again. I'm definitely doing this again. I loved it. I love the turnout. It was super versatile. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.